Exercise number 3. Which of the following values of x satisfies the equation above? 3x minus 18 equals negative 6. Of course, we can either use our calculators or we can even go to Desmos to solve that one. I would choose to solve it by hand. I find it to be quicker, but if you don't feel that confident, please be my guest, use your calculator or Desmos. Now, I'm going to simply solve it by hand. 3x minus 18 equals negative 6. I will isolate first the term that contains x, that is 3x. So I'm going to have it written as 3x equals 18 minus 6. This means that 3x should be equal to 12. And then by dividing both sides by 3, I get that x should be equal to 4, which means that for this particular exercise, the right answer would have been B.